Welcome back to this early edition of Lunch at the Markets for the last day of the week. Guess today is actually brunch at the market. Let's get to it. We'd actually like to see a bad employment number tomorrow, not because we want people out of jobs, but because we've sold calls against our long stock and we get to keep the money and the stock if the market declines here. We also have puts for May and June, so if people really get spooked, then we can sell our puts and buy the dip. We also have cash on hand in case the dip and our watch list has grown massive since the first of the year. Today, we'll look at two names on that list that actually come from Patty Edwards. We caught her hit on Fast Money Halftime yesterday, fabulous group yesterday with Guy Dami, Jared Levy, Brian Kelly, and Patty Edwards. We followed up with her after the show and she gave us a thumbs up to mooch off her good ideas. She got Arrow Electronics from someone herself, she said. A good idea is always worth sharing. Arrow Electronics Inc. distributes a range of electronic components and enterprise computing devices, services, and solutions to industrial and commercial users worldwide. The company operates in two segments, Global Components and Global Enterprise Computing Solutions. The Global Components segment offers semiconductor products and related services, provides passive, electromechanical, and interconnect products comprising capacitors, resistors, potentiometers, power supplies, relays, switches, and connectors, as well as computing, memory, and other products. We're bullish on the electronics components makers, and it looks like there's exposure to the chip sector, which is going through a restocking boom right now. Forget the possibility of real growth that isn't factored in at all right now. We're looking at the Yahoo Finance numbers, and the forward PE is 10.25 with a PEG of 0.69. That's some serious growth that you don't have to pay a whole lot for. Company has $9.51 in cash on the balance sheet. With $30 stock price, close to a third of the stock is in the cash on the balance sheet. Take a look at Arrow Electronics, symbol ARW, tomorrow. Second, let's look at Exelon Corp, Patty's other pick. This stock pays a 4.8% dividend, so she's already a woman after our own heart. The stock is only $1.03 away from its 52-week low, so the upside is there and the downside is very minimal. The stock trades at 10.71 times trailing earnings and 10.46 on forward earnings. Not bad at all. They have $3 per share in cash. Even better, they generate $6 billion in operating cash flow, and even net of their debt, you're still looking at $2.21 billion in levered free cash flow. This company is a serious cash machine. It's looking at 15.63% profit margins and 28.95% operating margins. Exelon Corporation, a utility services holding company, through its subsidiaries, engages in the generation, transmission, distribution, and sale of electricity to residential, commercial, industrial, and wholesale customers in northern Illinois. We really like the utilities companies here. They're really unloved and trade at a discount to their historic valuation levels. Usually because of those dependable dividends, they trade at a premium. So take a look at these laggards, led by Exelon, symbol EXC. We're headed off to South Carolina to spend Easter with family. Don't forget to check out Duke Saturday night, and we'll have our Duke apparel on for sure. Enjoy the day off from the markets tomorrow. Spend some time with your families, and we'll see you next week.